So hello everyone, again I'm come back with some interesting online courses. Today we will gonna discuss about the 7 best Google Ad courses that are online. And if you want to learn more about the online courses, then subscribe our channel CourseAvatar and don't forget to click on the bell icon so always we get updated whenever I will upload a new video. Anyway, let's get started. So our first course is a new Google Ad course is for the beginners to PRO course by Udemy. Here you will learn about the creating the Google Ads campaigning, dynamic keyword strategies and keyword research on for the purpose of Google Ad search, or you will learn about to select the right binding strategy, you identifying the right audience for using the keyword research. And this course is for the people who wish to learn or gain a deep understanding of the Google Ads, and it's also for the small business owners or market professionals or entrepreneurs who wants to make or make the campaigning of the brand to the Google Ads. And if you are interested in, then go and check out the link given. And our next course is a Google Ads for the beginners. Is a step-by-step course is also provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn about the creating the Google Ad campaigning, ad extensions, and optimizing your campaign. You will learn to create the track conversations here, and you also learn to target the keyword research for your business and the binding the strategies. This course is for the people who wish to learn about the Google Ads and their functionality, how you create them or how you can create them very successfully, so that you always get the audience or the people in your ads. Go and check out the link. So our third course is a free Google Ad course. It's a complete step-by-step course for it's a Google, and it's on the YouTube channel. It's a totally free course. Here you will learn about the setting up the Google Ad account and creating the YouTube advertising tutorials. You will creating the Google display ads, how you can target the keywords or conduct the Google AdWords keywords research, and setting up the billing methods, how you can fund the advertising campaigning. And this course is for the people who wants to learn learn, or they are just beginning the career in the Google Ads, and they are the professionals also. They can also learn this course. This is a free course. Go and check out the link given below. Here you will learn some more new and concepts. So our fourth course, the unlimited Google Ad training course, is a profit to the pay per click on, and it is provided by the Udemy. Here you will learn how you can create the Google Ad campaign, creating the AdWords billing and keyword research. This course is all about the how you can monetizing your research on Google's, or creating the profitable Google Ad campaigning and driving the traffic on your websites. This here you will learn all about these things, and this course is for the both for the learners or for the market professionals or advertisers. They can also learn it. Here you will learn to create ads and boost their sales on the revenue. This course is all about this, and if you are interested in it, then go and check out the link given below. And so our next course is a complete Google AdWords professional course. This is provided by the Simplilearn. It's the best exercise, best website to learn the new things and to learn anything you want to learn. And this here you will learn about the AdWords basics, binding and bind modifiers. We will learn about the utilizing various AdWords tools. Here, this course is all about how you can learn about the keywords research, especially for your ad campaigning, and you all learn about the advertising metrics along with their relatable technical terms. We learn the quality scores and how you can improve them. This course is a totally free course. People who are looking to learn SEO, or people who are upskills their SEO knowledge and want to create the creator content creators or marketers who also want to find this course is so helpful themselves. If you are interested in it, then go and check out. So our next course is a digital advertising strategy specialization course. Is provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn the topics like native advertising, social media advertising, Google Ads, and you also learn to create a digital advertising campaigning for your business, for your brand. And you also learn the digital advertising creating like campaigning, including Instagram, Facebook, Google Ads, or any other websites, platforms of social media. Here, this course is a beginner's course who have nothing special communicating skills you require to learn this course. You just beginning in it, then you are just new in this, then go and check out the link given below. It's the best. So our last course is a research advertising course is provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn to create a text ads and implementing the ad extensions. You will learn to create the search campaigns that are specific to their needs, or you learn to create the Google ad campaigning. You will learn all the Google ad research certifications. When you finish it, this course you will earn it. And this course is a totally free course. This is for the beginners course. This is another beginner course for the beginners who just beginning it and they're just new in it. They want to make the research advertising course ads, then they definitely go for this course. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye all of you.